Hi, I'm Shitter the Cat. Welcome to the channel. I'm here today with a new prank, but don't try this at home.
Hey kids, stop running around the house. You're upsetting the cat.
He's just a stupid cat.
Yeah, he's a stupid cat. What does he care? A stupid cat! I'll show them. It looks like it's time for a prank. I'll just add some magnesium citrate laxative to their Kool-Aid, and let's watch the fun begin.
Dear, what's going on with the kids?
I think that cat put something in their Kool-Aid.
Come on, he's just a cat.
Why do you call him Shitter? Well, it just goes to show you, you shouldn't call your cat stupid. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Shitter the cat! Shitter the cat! The snaky, snaky cat! Always causing trouble wherever